back to another video, and today we are playing A-Swarm and Roblox with my friend Treeman. Say hi.
Hi, how are you guys?
Yes, and I played a little bit off camera because I haven't played this game, and he's played a lot, so he knows stuff.
Yeah, I'm a pro. I have a
I have
parachute.
stuff. I have decent stuff.
I helped them out, guys, and everything. Yeah, shout out to
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah. Shout out to Treeman. Oh, still a big guy.
Yeah, a shooter.
And yeah, make
Yeah.
sure you click the subscribe button and hit the like button and post notifications on, and you never miss a video. And yeah, let's
Yes. And drop a like if you will, if you enjoyed this video, guys. Drop a like if you
yeah,
enjoyed it. As you guys see, I'm faster and I'm so OP at
he's
this
a
game.
little bit faster.
What do you mean, bro? I get haste from my bees. Yeah, I'm not kidding. So Trevor unlocked number 5.
Yo,
Um yeah, 5 bees cuz I helped him out. I gave him all the jelly beans. Oh, the
oh, I
spiders
got a spider
spawn.
from me. I got a spider from me.
Oh, for you? That's why I'm
Yeah,
not taking damage.
yeah. I killed it pretty quick.
That was me, bro. Chill.
You, me. All right. I need to get ladybugs. I know where one
If
is.
you guys like this video, like the video.
I already said that, bro. Come on, bees. Get him, bees.
That's my bees. Chill, bro. I got a strawberry. Those are my bees, bro.
All right, now I need 3 rhinos.
So I will be showing you guys the this guys, this is the five bees island, and I'll be showing you 10 bees and 15 bees. Okay, so I'm going to the 15 now. The 15, Trevor, is so cool. You guys gotta play this
Really?
game. Yeah, I swear it's so big. You can fight wolves. Yeah, you will fight wolves, and there's a pumpkin. Yeah, there's a pumpkin, and there's a what else? What are there? Yeah, there's what are these called? Mosquitoes, and there's crabs, lobsters. Yeah, and there's
Oh, there's so
this.
much to kill now.
Yeah, and there's legendary shop, and there's a cannon that I can use, and
Yeah, that makes
there's
me
yeah yeah,
happy.
and you can buy Jelly Royale in 15 bees. You can buy them with honey.
Do you
Yeah,
know where another rhino is? I need to.
yeah, and these are the scorpions, not crabs. I'm sorry, 2 scorpions. You have to fight 2 scorpions. They're so hard, and there's a shop for five, no, four fire bees.
Okay, do you know where another rhino is? I need... Oh wait, never mind, never mind. I got 2
Guys,
rhinos.
you gotta play this game and check everywhere. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
but that's
spoil.
really, really, really
Yeah,
hard.
when you like when you
What?
get at this game, you will be good. You will like get addicted. I swear.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification button. We'll see you later. Come on, bye.
no.
You'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Um. So yeah, guys, comment down below what games do you guys want to play. Do you guys want to see us play? And link in the description will be our YouTube channel. We have our own YouTube channel. So yeah, mine is Ninja Shadow Ninja, and Trevor is what's your one? Trevor
Trevor
plays.
plays.
Yeah, Trevor plays. Yeah, it will be linked in the description. Everything. Yeah. So
So I'll pull
ooh.
on pollen and I'll make another bee. Oh my god, this guy's so cool.
Oh my god. Oh, look at his base. Come. Do you see that?
Yeah, I saw.
Do you see this, guys? Oh my god.
That's
Oh
what I want to be
my
like.
god. Yeah, that's us in the future.
Yeah, that's us when we're like
Yeah, comment down below. Yeah, comment down below what games do you guys want to see us play. Do you want to see us play Among Us? Do you guys want to see us play like games in Roblox? Just comment down below and we will like your comment and we will
Oh, I got a carpenter bean.
how do you get the jelly bean?
Oh, I have gun drops for days, bro. I have 11 blueberries. Oh wait, I still gotta get those stupid freaking thingy in the shop. I'm so dumb.
I re-raced it. I'm faster. Yeah, cause I have a parachute. Yeah, the parachute guys was really expensive.
I need 4,000 honey.
It was $500,000. The parachute guys. You won't believe how expensive the parachute was. Like you guys won't believe how expensive it was, guys. Like you guys won't believe like $5,000. Oh my god, guys. It's nighttime. Oh, oh. The bees, the bees, the bees. Oh, the golden bees is here. You can go to 5 bees island. Hurry up. Just stop making. Stop it. Stop it. It won't, whatever. I'm going, guys. I'm leaving. Oh, it's going to the sunflower? No, it's not go. Oh, it's going to the 15 bees. You can't go there. And I can't go there that fast. I mean, I have the haste. I can get haste, but we won't reach in there in time. Maybe I can. Wait.
Oh, I can get the boots. Yes.
The boost? What do you mean, the boost?
Boot.
The screenshot? What do you mean? Which one?
The boots.
The boost or the boot?
Boot.
What do you say? I mean, the boot or the boots or the coats?
The boot.
The boots? Oh my god.
Ah, I'm faster. Look at me.
Oh my god. Comment down below what game do you guys want to see us play. Do you guys want to see Trevor play Fortnite? Or do you guys want to see us play Minecraft in Roblox? Or what game do you guys want to see us play? Comment down below. You guys want to see us play Call of Duty? We might do that. We can play.
And suggest some games that we can play for Roblox too.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we can play Rocket Legends. Any games you guys want us to play, we will film a video and try to film a video about Rock. Oh, I made it in time for the golden bees in the 15 eggs. Do you see me? Do you see me? Holy May, I'm getting OP loot, OP loot, OP loot, OP loot. I'm gonna die, no, 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 no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my, oh my god, oh my god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
No! Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Bro, a vicious bee has been attacking you in the rose field.
Yeah, oh yeah, if I beat that, I will get a big reward.
Cool.
All of my bees are trying to beat it right now, and his bees together, teamwork. We just need to dodge the stuff. Dodge these, yeah. Yeah, we're attacking it.
Dude,
Do you see me? Do you see me now?
I'll see you now.
See where he's so low, bro? His health and my health is so low because of this speed.
What? Bro, it didn't. You gotta look at the quest first before it. It's okay.
Bro, with my parachute, I'm dodging all the spikes, bro. Bro, we gotta destroy this bee, bro. He's so good, but we gotta destroy it. My parachute dodging all these spikes, and no, they can't catch me when I fly in the air. They can catch me. Bro, this is so fun. Guys, you won't believe when you get a parachute, when you get 500 and you have 15 bees, go get a parachute, guys. Go get a parachute right now.
Where's the dandelion field?
What?
Where's the dandelion field, right? I'm in it, right?
I don't know where you at. I'm fighting this bee right now with my bees.
I'm literally right behind you.
And this guy's bees.
Bro, I'm literally right behind you.
What do you mean I'm right behind you? I'm fighting this bee. How are you right behind? You can't even come. Can't even come here.
Where's the girl bear is?
The girl bear? Yeah. Yeah, go. You can't go there? What are you saying?
No, it's not giving me. Oh, I need dandelion seeds.
Bro,
Wait,
let's destroy it.
wait. Collect 250 pollen from the dandelion field. I'm in the dandelion field, right?
No, this is the sunflower field.
Yeah. Wait, where's the dandelion?
I don't know. Oh, it might be in the spider field.
Oh,
I think I'm not sure. Bro, this bee is so legendary. My bees all is running out of energy. He's using his magic. We're all going to sleep, bro.
maybe the dandelion field is literally the base. It is!
Oh wow. Yeah, I always mess up. We're almost gonna destroy the bee, the big bee.
There's two big in here.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Ah! 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 We're almost gonna do, we're at 1,000 for the bee. 800. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. We beat it. We beat it. Let's go. We beat it. We beat it. Yeah, we have been I defeated the let's go.
Bro, I'm just speedrunning. Collect 600 red. Okay, bet. I guess just gotta go to the strawberry. That's right. Right? Yeah. Right. Right. Bees, get the way to those bees.
Get them bees, get them bees.
Oh, bro, I might need to.
Get them bees, get them.
No, I don't need it. Wait.
Bro, when you unlock 15 level, bro, you're gonna be so happy. When you unlock, 15 bees, you're going to be so. You're gonna love it. You're gonna be so happy because there's a lot of stuff. Biz, 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 biz. Oh, let's go! I finished the request. Biz, biz. Let's go! I got a blueberry! Let's go! I got a blueberry! Let's go! We are out here. Okay, let's go get the blueberry. Not the blueberry. There's a polar bear right here. Yeah,
Bro,
right?
you're saying that you got a blueberry when I got 8 of them.
Wait, what's over there? No way. Oh. Oh my god. How much land do you think there is to unlock? Like,
And then I got 14 strawberries.
bro. Oh my god. There is 35 bees. Yeah, there's
1,000 blue pollen? That's
modern chick. What? Bro, where are you at?
blue pollen.
I don't see you. Okay, oh, I see you, I see you, I see you. Okay, look, fight the rhino. Okay, look up, look up. Do you see me? Do you see me? Up, 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 up. So high, so high. I'm jumping.
Are you on the yellow cannon?
No, 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 no. Do you know where the
Wait, I see you, I see you.
Yeah, yeah, you see me? I'm gonna use my parachute. Are you ready?
Well,
Woo! This is so fun. This is so fun. Let's go, Trevor.
yeah.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. The bears are coming for you.
I gotta get the black bear. He will protect me. Can't get me.
Oh, all my bees are here. If you guys liked that jump, comment down below if you just say I liked it. Or like it.
Collect 1,000 pounds of mushroom. Mushroom.
Where's the I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I think this might be the
No, this is a sunflower.
Oh! It might be the strawberry.
No, these are the
Yeah,
oh yeah, it is, it is, it is. You wanna help you? I can help you out if you want. I can just stand still. I'm so OP, guys. Like, let me help you out, okay, Trevor? Let me drop on you some stuff.
Where's the clover field? I think it's the beginner one.
What are you doing? Oh, you got that, bee? Oh, lucky.
Wait, where's the clover field? It might be the spider.
Yeah, the spider one, I think.
Nope, it's not the spider.
You want? I'm fighting the spider for you, bro. Okay, we're gonna end this video, guys, so we will see you later, and we might do a part 2, so stay tuned, subscribe, turn notifications on, and we will see you guys next time. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye.